In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a credit note in Odoo. We'll be working inside the Invoicing app, and the process is straightforward once you know where each option is located. A credit note is typically used when you need to reduce the amount a customer owes. For example, after a refund, a pricing adjustment, or a billing correction. The key is to enter the information carefully so the document is accurate before you post it. Start by opening the Invoicing app. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click Customers. From there, select Credit Notes. This will take you to the list of existing credit notes, where you can review previous entries or create a new one. To create a new credit note, click New. Odoo will open a blank draft form. In the Customer field, choose the customer who should receive the credit note. Make sure you select the correct customer record, since this determines who the document is assigned to and affects your accounting records. Next, set the invoice date. This is the official date of the credit note, so it should reflect when the adjustment is being issued. After that, set the due date, or, if your workflow uses them, choose the appropriate payment terms. This helps define how the credit should be handled and keeps the document aligned with your company's payment setup. Now move down to the invoice line section and click Add a line. In the label field, enter the product, service, or a clear description of the reason for the credit. Keep this wording specific and easy to understand, especially if the customer will receive a copy. Then, enter the price and select the appropriate taxes. Choosing the right tax treatment is important because it affects the total and ensures the credit note matches your financial and tax reporting requirements. If the credit note includes more than one item, simply add additional lines as needed. This is useful when you're crediting multiple products, services, or separate adjustments on the same document. Before finalizing anything, review all the details carefully, including the customer, dates, invoice lines, taxes, and total amount. Taking a moment here can help you avoid mistakes and prevent the need for corrections later. When everything looks correct, click Confirm in the top left corner. At that point, the credit note will move from draft to posted, which means it has been officially recorded in Odoo. If you want to share it with the customer, click Send or Send Message. That allows you to deliver the credit note directly from the system once it has been posted. And that's how to issue a credit note in Odoo.